Welcome, parents! As your child begins a new school year, their teachers will be using Schoology as a central hub for education. With Schoology, your child will communicate, turn in work, complete assessments, and keep organized, all in one place. Let's take a look at how you can navigate Schoology as a parent and how you can use the platform as a window into your child's digital classroom. Login procedures will vary from school to school. Check with your school or district for information on logging into Schoology as a parent. We'll include some basic tips and instructions in this parent resource kit. After logging in, you'll land on the home screen. The first time you log in, you'll default to your own parent account as indicated by your name in the upper right corner. You might see updates from the school administration here, and if you are personally a member of a group such as the PTA or Booster Club, there may be updates and information for you here. To view information specific to one of your children, click your name in the upper right corner and select your child. You are now viewing the Schoology courses, groups, and updates that your child sees. However, you as a parent are simply viewing this information and are not able to act as your child in the courses. Your child must first log in as him or herself to engage with the content. Your first stop in your child's Schoology overview is the feed. If you don't land on the student activity feed by default, you can easily toggle from the top of the screen. In the student activity feed, you will see posts made by people in the courses and groups your child is a part of, as well as school-wide announcements for things such as device pickup, fundraisers, or Spirit Week. Click Courses in the top menu to review a list of courses your child is a member of. Or toggle to the Enrollments view to see your child's current grade if they are recorded in Schoology. Click on a course title to see complete course content. Or review items listed in the upcoming area. Click on an assignment title to jump directly to the content with due dates in the near future. Overdue items are also listed in this screen. Overdue items are course materials whose due date has passed and the student did not submit anything. Review work and see grade information for items your child submitted. Click the material type in the Recent Grades area and select a specific item. You now see the item in the course. Read the description, including requirements written by the teacher, and click on the student's submission to see the content. If your child is a member of a group that meets outside of normal classes, such as a club, extracurricular activity, or sports team, click Groups in the top menu. Here you'll see a list of all groups your child is a member of. Click on a group name to view content. Remember, you are only viewing the content of your child's courses and groups. Your child will need to log in as him or herself in order to see the option to participate in discussions, make assignment submissions, and complete assessments.